Hello everyone, now we are going to learn that how we can attempt subjective paper in MS Form. That means how we can upload images in MS Form. So first of all, open the Team app in your mobile. Select the team where your teacher has posted your test. Like I'm going for the demo. So I've uploaded in Team A. So click on the general channel. So if your teacher has posted in 7AB, so you have to go to the 7AB team and click on general channel. If your teacher has posted in 8CD team, you have to go in that particular team and click on general. Then click on more. There you will find the link of the test. Like here it is math test with the date. So I'm going to attempt this as a demo test. So for the first time it may ask you to log in with your username and password. So please keep your username and password handy so that you can enter. Don't waste your time in finding your username and password. Then you just check that your name should be here. Like my name is here, Amit Sethi at fashion.in. That means I am attempting with my login ID and password. It may happen that if the same mobile is using by the siblings, so your brother or sister name come here. So please check that your name should appear here. Then click on upload file. Click on upload file. It may give you the option like camera, video, or in some mobile, in some devices it may directly take you to the camera. So once you finish all the questions on the paper, so first of all you just see that first question is state and prove BPT, second question is this one. So you see the question from this and you just write it on the paper, and you just see here file number limit 2. That means maximum 2 files, 2 pages we can upload. So that means you are having a choice of finish this paper in maximum 2 pages. But if you do it in 1 page, you can upload in single file only. So 2 pages is the maximum limit. This is the MCQ, so we can attempt this one like here. And in question number 4 you can see here that 3 questions are here. What is polynomial? Give an example of binomial. What is the formula of discriminant? So I'll write all the 3 questions on 1 page and upload a single page in this. Here you can also see there is a file number limit 2. That means we can upload maximum 2 pages with this question. This is a textual question, small textual question. I'll write the answer here. Just typing central processing unit. This is again MCQ. So now rest is to upload the image. So by the time I'll finish all my work on paper and I start uploading the images. So I'll click on upload file, go to camera. Please make sure that you should write your answer with black pen so that images or picture come clearly. Click your image in a bright light. So click on camera. Just focus your text. See the image. If it is fine to you, just click on yes, or you can make it cross. If you think that it is a blurred, just click. Now you can see here there is a message is coming that unable to complete previous operation due to low memory. So what you can do for this, you have to go for computer setting here, mobile setting here. So I'll show you how we can go with this one. I'll go to computer setting. you have to go to the developer option. So in my mobile, it is developer option is in additional setting here, or I can search here where I need to go, that is developer option. In developer option, it's not necessary that this error always comes. If it is coming, then only we have to go to this setting, otherwise there is no need. So don't keep activities, just switch off this. I'll go to my form again. I'll click on upload file, select the camera, focus the image, which should be in bright light. Click on tick, yes, it is fine. Now you can see that this image is uploading here. It may take time due to speed of the net. By the time it is uploading, I'll select second one. Maximum file I can upload here 2. Maximum pages we can upload, not file, we can say maximum pages. So it is uploading on. Now again still the upload file is here. So I can take the image of the second page. The rest part of the question is here. Click on tick mark. It is uploading here. Now I will go to the second next question. Click on camera. We cannot crop it here, so it's better you go for the proper light and proper focus. So it is uploading here. So there is still option of upload file. So here I can go also the file here if it is giving an option to you in your mobile. So it is uploading here. Now there's a one, this question is left, where on the one page I uploaded all the 3 questions. So I'll click here, camera, focus, focus your image in a proper light and check before yeah, it is coming fine. So just select here. So it is uploading. I can see rest all images. Yeah, it is uploading here, uploaded here. Only this image, last one image is uploading. So yeah, it is uploaded. So depending on the speed of the net, it may take time, but yes, it will upload definitely. If you are doing on the system, then you have to go to the team, and when you click on the general channel, on the top you will see the link of your paper, and you have to transfer the images from your mobile to your system by the data cable or by mail yourself, and then only you can attach those images from your system. Try to make your images in low resolutions of the camera, so that it will be a low size, less size, and it will consume less bandwidth of your data, and images can be loaded easily or fast. So few instructions: you need to check the name at the top of the form. You can keep the quality of the image as low but in proper light, and focus should be there. Do not send the blurred images to the teacher. And then you have supposed to first, as soon as the question paper open, you just write all the answers in your notebook. If it is an MCQ, you can attempt there. If it is a textual, you can type it here, there only. And if it is a upload file option is there, please check that how many pages a teacher is allowing you to upload. Then you are supposed to finish that answer in that particular page only. If the limit of the page is 2, you can upload 1 image or 2 images, maximum 2 images you can upload, but it is not like that you have to upload the 2 images. You can upload 1 and submit your paper. You have to keep your username and password handy, because in first time as the test start, it may ask you to log in with the username and password. So don't waste your time at that moment in finding your username and password. So that's all. I think that now it becomes clear to you that how you can upload the images on the paper. And if that error is coming that cannot upload file due to low memory, so I told you that settings where you can go with that. So now I'm going to submit my paper. Click on submit. So I think now it's clear that my test is over. So please make sure that you should finish your paper on time, so that you should have a spare of 10 to 15 minutes in uploading. Try to finish it paper. If it is a 40 minutes paper from 9 to 9:40, finish it in 9:25, so that you have sufficient time, 15 minutes for uploading. Thank you so much, and all the best for your exam.